look at number 32 from 8.5. It says you are participating in a walkathon. Donors can pledge a certain amount of money for each mile that you walk, or a fixed amount that doesn't depend on how far you walk, or both. The table gives the amounts pledged by 4 donors on your street. So A says copy the table for each person, write an equation given the amount of money Y that the person will donate if you walk X miles. Okay, I have copied the table from the book here. We just need to fill in the equations. So if we look at Jeanette, she's only giving a fixed amount. It's not dependent on how many miles you walk. So for this equation, it's Y equals 35, right? Because she's giving $35 no matter how far you walk. Ben is giving $2 per mile plus $20 fixed. All right, so the amount of money that Ben is going to give is $2 per mile plus $20 no matter how many miles you walk. Salil is giving $5 per mile, but there's no fixed money here. So this time it's Y equals 5X. Mary is giving $3 a mile plus $15 fixed amount. It doesn't depend on how many miles you walk. So Y equals $3 times the number of miles plus $15 fixed. Okay, so these are the equations you need to write for number A. All right, so there's A. And then B says, write an equation giving the total amount of money Y you will raise from the donors on your street if you walk X miles. Okay, so the total money would be if we add all of these together. So we have Y equals 35 plus 2X plus 20 plus 5X plus 3X plus 15. I just added all of these together and set it equal to Y. All right, now we're going to get rid of the parentheses and combine like terms. So you will see I have the 35, the 20, and the 15 that can be combined, and I have 2X, 5X, and 3X that can be combined. I'll start with my X's. 2X plus 5X plus 3X is 10X. So Y equals 10X. Then if we add 35 plus 20, we have 55, plus 15 is 70. This is the equation that represents our total amount earned if we walk X number of miles. So that's the answer for B. Now C says, consider the equations from part A and part B. All right, so we're looking at this equation and then all of these equations here. And it says, which equation has the graph with the greatest slope? Explain why this is so. Well, this line doesn't have a slope. This is a horizontal graph, horizontal line. This one has a slope of 2. This one has a slope of 5. This one has a slope of 3. This combined line has a slope of 10. It's the one that has the greatest slope. And the reason is that it adds all of these together. So you're earning not just $2 per mile, you're earning $10 per mile. So it earns the most, all right? And so your answer for C is the equation in B, because basically because it's the sum of the dollars earned per mile. And that does represent your slope. All right, so there's 32, and that's